Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this February the 20th, 2024 evening. Hope everybody continues to stay on the weather you got. Okay, and today Thursday, talk about the region. Also, we're going to take a look at the fire weather concern. We do have some critical fire weather over in portion of West Texas and portion of New Mexico. We'll talk about that as well. And also, we're going to take a look at this next 16-day temperature outlook over the next 16 days across the nation on the snow. Do not miss a beat of this forecast. And let's go ahead and get the show on the road there, folks. But before we do, I greatly appreciate it. All right, also like these videos and share these videos on social media. And let's go ahead and get the show on the road there, folks. All right. As you can see here, we got some rain showers up here in portion of the Great Lakes region, down in the portion of Ohio, also Michigan, and down in Indiana, and also in the portion of northern Kentucky. Thunderstorms and showers from portion of western Indiana through Illinois, Missouri, back into Kansas, portion of Oklahoma. More shower activity over portion of Nebraska, Wyoming, and Colorado. In the gray slashed area here, down in portion of New Mexico and West Texas, we have some critical fire in today's video also. We got some mixed precipitation in portion of Colorado, and we got some snow there as well, and also portion of Wyoming. Also more mixed precipitation through Utah, Arizona, Nevada, back into Oregon, Idaho, Montana, Washington, Oregon State, Northern California, Mountain California. Maybe a little bit of heavy snow there as well in the portions of the mountains of California. Otherwise, dry high pressure is in charge of much of Canada, through portion of Montana, through Wyoming, through portion of Wisconsin, Minnesota, back down towards Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, Gulf of California, all of Mexico, the Yucatan Peninsula, Jamaica, Cuba, the Bahamas, the east coast of the United States, all the way up toward Newfoundland, and also into portions of New Brunswick and Maine vicinities as well. All of this activity is for your Wednesday, February 21st. All right, let's move on to your forecast now. As you can see here, we got mixed precipitation over portions of the Great Lakes, all the way down into portion of New York State, Pennsylvania, also toward Connecticut, Massachusetts, New Hampshire, and portion of Vermont. Got showers from portion of Connecticut, Rhode Island, New Jersey, Delaware, D.C., down into South Carolina, and portion of Georgia, stretching up the Ohio, portion of Michigan, Indiana, Illinois, and portion of Missouri. We have thunderstorms and showers in portion of Missouri, Arkansas, down to Mississippi, down into the panhandle of Florida, Big Bend area of Florida, northern Florida, Georgia, Alabama, Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, Ohio, southern Indiana, Illinois as well. We got snow showers over here in portion of Colorado and Utah, Wyoming, and also portion of Idaho. We got mixed precipitation up here in South Canada, stretching down in Montana and also in the portion of Idaho. More shower along Washington, Oregon State, and also northwestern California as well. Otherwise, portion of New Brunswick down toward Michigan, all the way over to Wisconsin, Minnesota. As you can see here, here's the weather radar. Currently, as you can see, we got a little bit of shower activity, often no precipitation falling at this time. All right, advisory map. You're located across the nation. Alright, well there it is. Finally popped up. Alright, we got the river flood warning still in effect for Tennessee, also in Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida. Portion of South Carolina. Winter weather advisory for portion of Wyoming into Colorado, and also same over in Utah. Winter storm warning to Pink California, excuse me, and Northern California. Well, wind advisory for Washington State down in Southern California, also the east coast of Florida, southeastern Texas, and then from the Outer Banks of North Carolina all the way up toward the Boston area as well, and also in the coastal water region also. Also from the south side of the Hawaiian Chain Island, got some gale warnings there. North side looks good. We got blizzard warnings to the north of Alaska, winter storm warning, winter weather in western areas. Also some high wind warnings there, special weather statements, storm warning. And small craft will be taking a check out. You're in El Paso, Texas, Rowell, New Mexico, Squirrel, Texas, Hobbs, New Mexico, and Carlsbad, New Mexico. That's a critical fire issue. This is that red area here. If you live in Las Caucus up to Aberdeen, also just east of Santa Fe, up to Pablo, Colorado area, and Amarillo, Lubbock, and also near Fort Stockton area of Texas. You're in a elevated risk for fire weather on day 2, which is your Wednesday. Alright, and finally we're going to wrap it up with the GFS Snowfall Totals state. Maybe a little bit in western Washington, Oregon State, Nevada, and portions of California region, also into Wyoming. The heavy precipitation there and across southern and southwestern Canada. Elsewhere, lighter amounts elsewhere in the lighter blue, and also into that region. Alright, well I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Everybody continue to stay safe and well. So enjoy the weather, because the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribe if you have not. We'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful, wonderful Tuesday evening, folks. Take care.